Hi y'all, so what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be our Ipsy Glambag Plus December unboxing. So if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become a hashtag FamJam member, and also hit that like button before you even start this video because you're going to enjoy it. I know you will. Anyways guys, we're going to dive right into this video and not have a long intro because y'all know your girl's got things to do. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. It just says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which is cute. And then here is what the inside looks like. You always get a little card talking about the products, prices, all that fun stuff. But I don't want to look at it because I don't want the surprise to be ruined. So we're just going to dive right into the first thing here. It's like all nice and like bubble wrapped. And it's this Lancome. It's a... So it's for the eyes, cheeks, and lips. It's a playful formula, offers blendable and buildable coverage, leaving a beautiful flush of color all over. So this is the shade that I got. It's really pretty. The engraving on it almost reminds me of like the rose off of Beauty and the Beast. And here's it swatched, which is just absolutely beautiful. It's swatched like butter. This color is really pretty. I don't really use single like eyeshadows very much, but this color actually is really pretty, and maybe I will make an effort and try to use this. Because it is Lancome, and I don't own any Lancome products because that's expensive, as Kathleen Lights would say. So next up in the box is this 111 Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Here's what it looks like. So basically it's just vitamin C drops, which I actually own some of the Mario Badescu vitamin C drops. It smells really good. Like it almost has like a men's aftershave smell. Smells, you know, that's really weird to like say, oh, this smells like men's aftershave. I'm just gonna put some in my hand here and see like the texture of it. See if it like leaves a scent or anything. It doesn't have an oily like texture to it, which I really appreciate that. I don't like using like serums if they are super oily because I have oily skin and I don't like applying oil to my skin if I don't have to. But it doesn't even leave a scent, so that is really nice. I don't want to apply something to my face that like smells like men's aftershave, but it doesn't even smell when you put it on your skin, so that is nice. I am going to use this, so I'm excited about that. So next up in the box is this Morphe High Impact Highlighter. It is in the shade Extra. So here's what it looks like. It's just a really pretty champagne looking highlighter. So there's a swatch. It's on the top. It's the top one. It's really pretty. I love Morphe products, so I'm excited to get one of their highlighters, and I also very excited that it's full size. That's why I signed up for the Glambag Plus, to get full-size products instead of samples. So next up in the bag is this Farrah brush set. It says, "Be beautiful, be you." These look so fancy. So here is what the brushes look like. This one looks like it could be a powder brush. This one, I'm gonna say contouring maybe, and then this one is like a stippling brush. These are really fancy. Actually, you know, I would think I just like to keep these really nice and just set them out somewhere and just look at them because they're so pretty. I hate getting pretty brushes all dirty. And then, you know, you can never really, I feel like it's hard to get brushes looking like that perfect cleanness before you actually use it for the first time. I feel like it's hard to make them look that clean again. So last thing in the bag is this Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eye Quad palette. The packaging on this is really pretty, but I'm not stoked about these colors at all. I think they're just very neutral, kind of boring, and I'm actually just going to pop this into my giveaway drawer that I have going right now. So I'm not going to swatch it for you guys. That way it will be brand new for whoever wins my giveaway, whenever I actually host my giveaway. I've yet to do that because my plan is to have the giveaway when I hit 1,500, and I'm not there yet, so maybe within, you know, the new year we will hit 1,500. Okay, so last thing in the box is this bag, which I didn't think we were going to get a bag this month, since you're supposed to get a bag every third month, I think, is how it's supposed to go, and I got a bag last month, so I didn't think I was going to get a bag this month, but I got a bag. So here's what it looks like. It's this navy color, and it's one of those bags where you take your hand and it moves the little beads. I do not get this trend. Can someone leave me a comment, do you understand this trend? Because I don't, and I think, I don't know, that's just me. I think it's kind of silly and childish, but whatever. The bag is pretty big. I think you could put a good amount of stuff in it. I like the navy color, but you know, overall this month's box was pretty decent. I like the brushes, the vitamin C serum, and the Lancome pigment is really nice. It's pretty. But overall, guys, leave me a comment if you get Ipsy Glambag Plus, if what was your favorite product, or if you just get Ipsy, what was your favorite Ipsy product this month. And guys, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.